$8,000 turns a clapped-out Eclipse GSX into a genuine 300-wheel horsepower daily driver. But spend it wrong, and you'll blow the motor before you hit boost. The difference? Knowing that your 16G turbo upgrade means nothing if you're still running the stock fuel pump from 1995. Your budget breaks down into 5 critical categories. 20% goes to maintenance. That's $1,600. 35% for engine performance, $2,800. 20% for suspension, $1,600. 15% for wheels and tires, $1,200. The last 10% covers brakes and appearance. Mess up these ratios and you're building a time bomb. First reality check. The Ford G63T is an interference engine. Skip the $500 timing belt service to save money. When that 25-year-old belt snaps, you're looking at bent valves, damaged pistons, and a $4,000 rebuild minimum. Every high-mileage GSX needs this service before you even think about adding power. Your stock TD05 turbo is probably toast by 200,000 miles. But here's where people screw up. They buy a $300 Chinese knockoff 16G that promises 400 horsepower. These units fail within months and take your engine with them. Spend $700 to $900 on a genuine Mitsubishi 16G or quality rebuild. The 16G flows enough for 300-plus wheel horsepower while maintaining street-friendly spool characteristics. Intercooler choice matters more than you think. The CX Racing Universal Front Mount Kit runs $450 and delivers 80% of the performance of $1,000 name brands. You're getting a 24 by 12 by 3-inch bar and plate core with 2.5-inch piping. Yes, you'll need to massage some fitment. No, it won't cool as well as an ARC unit. But it keeps intake temps manageable for street driving and occasional pulls. Engine management separates successful builds from scattered connecting rods. The stock ECU cannot handle your modifications. Period. Budget $500 for an AEM EMS4 or Megasquirt 3. Plus, another $400 for professional tuning. Running boost. Without a tune is like playing Russian roulette with $4,000 of engine. The lean condition will melt pistons faster than you can say check engine light. Fuel delivery kills more modified Ford G63s than any other failure. Your 25-year-old fuel pump supports maybe 200 wheel horsepower on a good day. Add boost without upgrading it? Lean condition at 6,000 RPM equals windowed block. A $150 Walbro. 255 supports up to 400 wheel horsepower. Pair it with cleaned or replaced injectors. This is not optional. Suspension transforms these cars more than any power modification. Stock Eclipse suspension is soft, worn out, and ruins any chance of putting power down effectively. Raceland Ultimo coilovers at $500 aren't winning any time attack championships. But they drop the car correctly, offer 32-way damping adjustment, and turn a wallowing mess into something that actually corners. For proper fitment guidance on your lowered setup, check threepiece.us. Wheel fitment makes or breaks the entire build visually. 17 by 8 plus 35 offset is your target. This clears suspension components, fills the fenders properly, and doesn't require major modifications. Used NKR PF1, replicas run $600 and weigh under 17 pounds each. Wrap them in Federal 595 RSRR tires at 600%. You're getting semi-slick grip levels at half the price of premium brands. Here's what catches builders off guard. Your brake system needs attention before adding power. Hawk horsepower pads front and rear cost $160 total, but transform pedal feel and stopping distance. Goodridge stainless lines eliminate that spongy pedal for another $120. These aren't sexy modifications, they don't add horsepower. But they prevent you from rear-ending someone when your 30-year-old brake system can't handle the new acceleration. Installation order determines success or expensive failure. Week 1 and 2, knock out all maintenance. Timing belt, cooling system, fuel system inspection, turbo evaluation. Week 3 and 4, install performance parts in this exact order. Fuel pump first, then intercooler, exhaust, turbo, engine management, and finally professional tuning. Week 5 handles suspension. Week 6 covers wheels, tires, brakes, and alignment. Rush this process and you'll miss critical issues. Common mistakes destroy budgets faster than boost creep. Skipping the professional tune saves $400 until you melt a piston. Cheap eBay turbo manifolds crack at the wastegate. Ultra-budget coilovers use dampers that blow out in 6 months. Wrong wheel offset causes rubbing that destroys tires and fenders. Each shortcut costs double to fix later. Your finished build delivers genuine performance. 280 to 320 wheel horsepower, depending on boost and tuning. 0 to 60 drops from 7 seconds to 5.5. Quarter-mile times hit high, 13s at over 100 miles per hour. The suspension actually works now. The brakes stop straight and firm. Most importantly, it remains reliable enough to daily drive. $8,000 transforms a tired GSX into a legitimate performance car when spent correctly. $6,800 on parts, $400 on tuning, $200 on alignment, $300 on fluids and hardware, $300 contingency. The stock transmission holds up at this power level. The clutch will need attention eventually. The open differential remains a weak point. But you've built a foundation that can grow with your skills and budget. This build works for anyone who values real performance over Instagram likes. Skip it if you can't follow the maintenance schedule religiously. Skip it if you think tunes are optional. Skip it if you'd rather have 20-inch wheels than working suspension. But if you want a genuinely quick car that embarrasses modern sport compacts for $8,000 total, this formula delivers every time. The Eclipse GSX platform rewards builders who respect the process.